everyone, this is Mia from JK-T3020D. Today I'm gonna show you our machine, 3020D series pattern sewing machine. Today my share divided into three parts. The first part is product profile, second part is product features and advantages, and the third part is I will show you our models available and derived models. To help you better understand this machine, I will together with presentation and videos to easily understand. Okay, let's start. The first part is product profile. First, we have a general information about pattern sewing machine. In my view, pattern sewing machine is an intelligent sewing machine with four automatic functions. There are some advantages I make summarize. They are very easy to be operated and also can replace the skilled workers because it's like a full operating. You just put the plate, then it will be sewing. Also, it can reduce the labor intensity. The most important, I think, it can greatly improve the product efficiency and also improve the product sewing quality because it's used plate. So every machine, after sewing, the stitch is same, not controlled by human, controlled by the machine. So it's very accurate and very high quality. And for pattern machine, actually it's widely used in the garment, footwear, bags, and other areas. For example, in garment industries, we mainly use it on the pocket patterns, leather, label sewing, and also some placket. Also, in the jacket, many places can use it. For example, collar, cuff, the labels, and the pocket covers, even the trademark, we use it. Also, for some bags, like the luggage zippers, luggage trademarks, for example, the bag's decoration here, we use pattern sewing machine. Stitch can be very beautiful. Also, like the shoes upper face, caps hole, the gloves, and also the bags are widely used in this machine. Also, some Velcro and the logos use this machine. Also, some automobiles, like our cars, the car belt, car seat, airbags, and seat cushion, floor mats, accessories are widely used for pattern sewing machine. So we can see pattern sewing machine is really a good machine, can be used on many aspects. And here you can see this is our pattern machine core technology. We can see it's here we have our emergency stop switch, also some central foot lifter. It can adjust the pressure foot height, also some switch. And for our pattern machine, we have many models, and you can see here we many name this machine according to its sewing range. For example, 1310 means the sewing range is 130 by 100. And the same philosophy, for example, 3020 means sewing range 300 by 200 millimeter. And for the sub mode, if you want to know more details, I will explain you later. This is some general information about our pattern sewing machine, mainly divided into two sizes, small size and big size. For 1310, 2210, 3020, because this sewing range is relatively smaller, so we can call it a small pattern sewing machine. And the speed is 2700. For the large pattern sewing machine, 6040 and 114, the speed is 2300 RPM. And for the pressure foot lifter, for the middle pressure foot is 22 millimeter. Others parameter you can see here. This page lists the main type we are seeing. For example, for the basic small pattern sewing machine is 1310. This sewing range you can see here. Also, have some submodel like 1310F1. This is flip-flop. For these submodels, I can show you videos so that you can easily understand. Let's move to another page. And this is the model popular for the garments. You can have a quick look. For other letters, this kind of letter I explain you by video. And this is normally for shoes. This size is suitable for bags. You can see we have small sewing range to large sewing range, so it can meet different requirements of customers. Now let's move to part 2 to see the product features and advantages. The first advantage is this machine very powerful function. It's widely used into shoes, bags, car, and clothing and other fields. Any patterns can be made as long as it divides. Here shows some picture about it. Another advantage is that our machine have an intelligent middle pressure foot lifter for perfect sewing. So it's very easy sewing different thickness material. For example, if when you sewing from thin material to heavy material, the pressure foot height will adjust automatically to ensure the stitch very beautiful. So we can see the performance is very stable. And our pattern machine is very easy for managing the patterns. They can be edited from the computer or from the panel itself. If you edit from the computer, you can use USB to upload and download into the machine panel. They can load as many as 999 kinds of patterns, so it's very convenient and fast for operation. Some models equipped with quick change the template function, for example 3020K and 2210K. You only simply clamp the pin of the template into the groove of the fixture and step on the foot switch. The template can be quickly changed. This one very high efficiency. It can greatly save the time and increase the work efficiency. Okay, let's move to the part 3 to see the models available and derived models. Normally for the derived models, we add some additional device to make it carry out. For example, the pressure foot. We can attach different pressure foot for clothing trademarks, hook and loop, and also some shoes process to improve the efficiency and product quality. Let's see the video. This video we just see is 108-degree flip pressure foot. It can be used on the hard label and also can be used on the soft label. Let's see the video. You can see this machine sewing two soft label at one time, very high efficiency and very accurate. And except 108-degree flip pressure foot, we also have a side slip pressure foot. This one is used for the soft label. Side slip pressure foot is equipped on 2210 or 3020. This is used for the soft label and also can be used on the hard label. Let's see the video. You can see very quickly. Also, we have another type. This one is the vertical side slip. In the beginning, I mentioned it can greatly improve the efficiency, but also can improve the machine quality. You can see from here. This is the reason. I think you can find the answer. The video we just showed is mainly for the logo or trademark for the garments, and we also have the machine for shoes. For example, 2210 or 3020K. It's used for various patterns such as shoes uppers and sewing and prepare are performed at the same time to reduce the cycle time and improve the efficiency. Stitch very beautiful and also can quickly change the plate. This one is 6040WK, means out pressure frame. It's used to sew some light fabrics such as shoes upper and the waders. We have another sub-model is 3020TDB. TDB means semi-automatic pocket attaching. It's mainly used for the jeans, but can make the production process standard and optimize the sewing process, can greatly reduce the human labor intensity and improve the product quality. Let's see the video. The stitch very beautiful. I know in the market there is some machine very high efficiency. They are full automatic, but maybe the cost also very high. Compared with the full automatic one, TDB, the semi-automatic one, I think it's very cost effective for some small and medium factory. We also have a sub-model. It's used for the hook and loop. We call workflow sometimes. The model is 2210MST. It's full automatic feeding after sewing the workflow to increase the efficiency. The main advantage is this machine feeding length adjustable from 50 to 150 mm. Also, the feeding width adjustable from 10 to 15 mm. This machine very efficient and the high feeding speed maximum can reach 30,000 RPM, and because of its automatic feeding and cutting, so it's very high efficiency. Let's have a look at this video. You can see here is automatic feeding. Another interesting sub-model is 3020MY. This machine is mainly used for the hat whisker. The machine main technical advantage is very precisely for positioning and fast clamping, also stable and beautiful stitch. Let's see the movie. If you sewing this stitch by human, I think maybe not so neat. Sometimes maybe need to do it again. So with automatic machine, it's very high quality for the products. Another interesting model is 2210PB. PB is automatically feeding after sewing the laser label that can greatly increase the efficiency. Also, the feeding length and width can be adjustable. The data you can see here. You can see speed is maximum 30,000, very high speed. And let's see the videos. We can see here like a side sleep pressed foot, and together with the auto fading, it's very efficiency. This another submodel is for shoes. It's 3020CF. It means the machine can drive and sew in together. It's mainly used on the sport shoes, leather shoes, and small luggage that need drive. And it's very high efficiency. The daily output can reach 900 pieces in 8 hours. Because it's drying and sewing integrated, so the machine merged product quality very good and high efficiency. Also, the drying. Now let's see a sample for drying device for the shoes. First, we put the fabric. It's interesting that we put the fabric used many times. It's interesting that when we put the fabric, we used a lot of times, but when sewing, it's very quickly. So you can see this machine can greatly increase the efficiency. And the last submodel is 3020F1. This machine is laser cutting. It's the economic type. It's mainly used for the pocket welting, and the laser cutting range is 260 by 200 millimeter. The laser is 90 watts. It also can be customizable automatic fixed parts. In general, this machine is very efficient and perfect smoking effect. Because it's a full-leg operation, so it can greatly reduce the labor intensity and also can improve the product efficiency and quality. Let's see the video. I open 2 videos. Here is the laser device. Okay, both 2 pockets finished. You can see the stitch very beautiful. The stitch very straight. Compared with the professional pocket welting machine, this laser cutting pattern sewing machine very cost effective. And the stitch is very beautiful, also very efficient compared with the manual type. So it's worth to try this machine. Okay, today my sharing of pattern sewing machine almost finished. Let's see the summary of this machine again. The benefit of this machine is first, it's very easy to operate, so no need the skilled workers. For factory can save labor costs for the employee. Another side is friendly for the operator because they can greatly reduce the labor intensity. And the most important two advantage is that this machine can greatly improve the product quality because it's sewing by the template, not controlled by the workers. So machine quality very good and stitch very beautiful. Another biggest advantage is its high efficiency. I think you already found the answer how it increases the efficiency and the quality from my video explain. This machine is really cost-effective and very good machine for traveling for customers. So I sincerely recommend you use this machine. Thank you very much for watching. Hope it will be a little benefit for you. And for our Facebook have more information about this machine. Please follow our Facebook to get the information. Also in JK Facebook, we have a lot of interesting things. Something about JK history, about JK product, Please follow us to get more information. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.